Finish. Now you see operating on y-axis. Operating on y-axis. Operating on y-axis. So if you operate on y-axis trigonometric ratios, that means 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, or 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. Ratios changes. Ratios, trigonometric ratio changes. Trigonometric ratios changes. Trigonometric ratios changes. So how they changes? Let us see here. So sine become cos, and cos become sine, and also tan become cot, and cot become tan. Similarly, cosecant become secant, secant become cosecant. So ratios changes when you operate the trigonometric ratios on y-axis. What are the operations on y-axis? 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. This you should remember. Now, when you operate a trigonometric ratios on x-axis, ratios does not change. Ratios does not change. What are the operations on x-axis? 0 plus theta or simply theta. 0 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta, next 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. So here ratios remain same. Trigonometric ratios, remains same, no change. Here trigonometric ratio changes, here does not changes. Is it clear? Next, coming to next topic. Note down this one. Finish. Okay. So in second part, we learn the table up to 90 degrees. Now we will learn table extending 90, more than 90, 90 degrees, more than 90 to 360 degrees, up to 360 degrees. So we are taking a trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So here ratios coming in this way, angle going in this way. Okay, first angle will take 90 plus 30 degrees means 120 degrees. Next 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. Next 90 plus 60, 150 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Okay. Now before that we take main table. After this we will come to the angles. What is that means? 0 degrees, 0 minus theta, 0 plus theta. So first quadrant we take. In first quadrant 0 minus theta. 0 degrees, 0 minus theta. It operates on a x-axis. Operate on x-axis, we will see. Operate on x-axis. So 0 degrees. It is first quadrant, 0 minus theta. Next to 360 plus theta. 0 plus theta, 0 degrees, 0 plus theta, 360 plus theta. Next 0 minus theta, 360 minus theta. So under 0 degrees we will see 0 degrees, that is operating on x-axis. So where this x-axis we will take here, this is at 0 degrees, and next we will take at 180 degrees. Here it falls in first quadrant. Plus theta means it falls in first quadrant. That also I indicate here. Smallly I indicate here. So where it falls? Q1. Here also falls. This is minus theta means this falls in fourth quadrant. Q4. 0 minus theta or 360 minus theta is fourth quadrant. 0 plus theta, 360 plus theta is first quadrant. Here 180 degrees. 180 minus theta. This is second quadrant. 180 plus theta. Third quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. You should remember this one. So this total x-axis of operations on x-axis. These operations are making on x-axis. Okay. Now y-axis operations we will consider. So what are the y-axis operations? Next at 90 degrees. At a 90 degrees axis. So next at 270 degrees. At a 270 degrees. So now carefully observe here. So 90 degrees, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So it falls in which quadrant? First quadrant it falls. Q1. Next 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. Here 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. First quadrant it falls. Next 90 plus theta. So it falls in second quadrant. Next 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. Is it clear? So it is first quadrant. 0 plus theta, 360 plus theta. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, whatever it may be, all are positive. So plus will come. Ratio does not change on x-axis. This is operating on y-axis. Y-axis. This is operating on y-axis. So these are operating on y-axis. You should remember. These are operating on y-axis. These ratios, these operations are on y-axis. These are on x-axis. These things are x-axis. So ratio does not change because it is operating on x-axis. All are falling here. 0 plus theta, 360 plus theta in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. First all are positive. And ratios also does not change because it is operating on x-axis. So sine becomes sine only, cos becomes cos only, tan only, cosecant only, secant same thing, cot also same thing. So ratio does not change because on x-axis. So all ratios are not changed. This is all are operating on x-axis. So all ratios will come as it is. Sin theta. Here also sin theta. Here also sin theta. Okay. Next coming to your cos theta. Ratios does not change. That you should remember. Only their positive or negative signs will changes. So tan theta. Here also tan theta. Here also tan theta. Next here cosecant theta. Here also cosecant theta. Here also cosecant theta. Secant theta. As it is, they will come because they are operating on x-axis. So next cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta. Now we will check the rest sign. So this is falling 0 minus theta or 360 minus theta is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what ratios we have? Fourth quadrant, what ratios we have? That I want to know. So 360 minus theta, 0 minus theta. Fourth quadrant, what are it? Cos, next secant. These two are positive. Third quadrant, tan, cot. These two are positive. In second quadrant, sin, cosecant. These two are positive. First quadrant, all positive. All positive. So in fourth quadrant, it was 360 minus theta, 0 minus theta. In fourth quadrant, only cos, secant positive. Cos, secant. Remaining all are negative sign. Clear? Next, coming to this one. So this 180 minus theta, it falls in second quadrant. What we have in second quadrant? Sine and cosecant. So in second quadrant, sine will become positive and cosecant also become positive. Remaining all becomes negative. Clear? In the same way, 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. This is 180 plus theta. This is here 180 plus theta. Here 90 plus theta. 90 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta. 180 plus theta. This is 270 minus theta. 270 plus theta. So here 360 plus theta. 0 plus theta. So now you see 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means it falls in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan, cot are positive. First you keep tan plus, cot also plus. Remaining all become negative. Okay, is it clear? So whenever it operates on x-axis, the ratio does not change. What are the operations on x-axis? 360 plus theta, 0 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 0 minus theta, and 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. This is the operations on x-axis. So operations on x-axis is over. Now we will come to the operations on y-axis. What are the operations on y-axis? Let us see here. So operations on y-axis, we have 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. So now we see first 90 minus theta, where it falls? First quadrant. So in first quadrant, so first of all, it is operating on y-axis. All ratios will changes. Sine changes into cos. Sine changes into cos. So sine, I am going to write cos theta. So sine will become cos. Cos theta. Cos theta. So this cos will become sin theta. Cos will become sin theta. Cos will become sin theta. That we should remember. So sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. Okay, clear? Next step. Here you see tan become Tan become cot. Cot theta, cot theta, cot theta, cot theta. Secant become cosecant becomes secant theta, secant theta, secant theta, secant theta, and secant become cosecant theta, cosec theta, cosec theta, cosec theta, and cosec theta. So next cot become tan theta, tan theta, tan theta, tan theta, tan theta. Okay. Now carefully observe. So ratio changes while trigonometric ratios are operating on y-axis. Okay, ratios are changing. Now you see how this ratio is changing. You will see. Okay. So this is 90 minus theta means it falls in first quadrant. First quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. So all become plus. Okay. 90 plus theta, it falls in second quadrant. Only sine and cosecant are positive. What is sine here? Sine will become positive and cosecant here. Carefully observe. Here you have to see main values. Remaining all are negative. Next coming to 270 minus theta. So third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan cot are positive. Tan positive. Tan cot also. Cot also positive. Okay. Remaining all are negative. So next 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is secant. Cos is positive and the secant also positive. Remaining all are negative. Okay, clear? Any doubt here? No doubt on this one. Okay, coffee? Coffee, know this one? Next, we will see the angles, how the angle changes. Now I am going to do this one. Take screenshot. Screenshot. So, in second part, we learned up to 90 degrees. Now we will learn behind 90 and up to 360 degrees. So here 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. Next 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. 90 plus 60, 150, 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Okay. Next step. (180) plus 30, 210 degrees. 180 plus 30, 210 degrees. 180 plus 45, 225 degrees. 180 plus 60, 240. Next, 180 plus 90, 270. Next 270 plus 30, 300 degrees. 270 plus 45, 315 degrees, 270 plus 60, 330 degrees, 270 plus 90, 360 degrees. Up to 360 degrees, we will find the trigonometric ratios values. Okay. Now you see sine 120 degrees. Sine 120 degrees. This can be written as sine 90 plus 30 degrees. 90 plus 30 degrees. Sine 180 minus 60 degrees. Both way we can do. It is operating on y-axis, it is operating on x-axis. When it is operating on y-axis, ratio changes, sine will changes into cos. Already I don't know. When operate on y-axis, 90 and 270 plus or minus operates on y-axis. So it will become cos. 90 plus theta means which quadrant it falls? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, what traces we have in sine and cosecant. Sine is there now, so it will become plus cos 30. So what is the cos 30 value? Cos 30 value. So root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sine 120 degrees, root 3 by 2 will come. Okay. Next, same way, sine 135 degrees. Sine 135 degrees. So in 180 also we can do. Here ratio does not changes. Sine remains sine only. 180 minus theta becomes so 60 degrees. It is sine 60. What is the sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2 only comes. Okay? Root 3 by 2. In both cases we get same value. In the same way, sine 135 degrees. This can be written as 90 plus 45 degrees. 90 plus 45 degrees. So 90 plus 45 degrees means ratio changes. So here it becomes cos 45 degrees. What is cos 45 degrees value? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So this value is 1 by root 2. So next step, sine 150 degrees. Sine 150 degrees. So what we get sine 150 degrees? 90 plus 60. Cos 60. Cos 60 degrees. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. So here we get 1 by 2. So 180 degrees. 90 plus 90. Cos 90. What is cos 90? 0. Okay. In the same way, it is 210 degrees. 210 degrees. So what is the value of 210 degrees? Sine 210 degrees. So it can be written as 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30. It is operating on x-axis. 180 plus 30 means operating on x-axis. Otherwise, you can write 270 minus that is 180 plus theta 210. Now 270 minus 60 also you can write. So now this will become, ratio does not change here because it is operating on where it is operating on y-axis, x-axis. So sine 180 plus theta, sine becomes sine only, sine 30 degrees. So which quadrant it falls? 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Is there sine in third quadrant? No. So minus will come. So what comes? minus, what is this value you have to see? Sin 30 is minus half. Okay. Next, 225. Sin 225. So sin 225 means 180 plus 45 degrees. Ratio does not changes. So this also falls in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, sin is not there, negative value only comes. So here 45 degrees. What is the sin 45 degrees? 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Next step, 240. 240. This can be written as 180 plus 60. So this will become sin 60. This also falls in third quadrant. Sin is not there, negative only come. Sin 60 is, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Next step, 270. 180 plus 90. Sin 90. 1 will come. Here minus will come, no? Minus 1. Okay. In same way, 300 degrees. If I take a 300 degrees, what do you get? Sin 300 degrees. This we can write 270 plus 30 degrees. So it is operating on y-axis. So y-axis means the ratio changes. Sin become cos. Cos 30. So it falls on which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sin is not there. Cos secant, negative value. So minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Next, 350. 315. For 315, 270 plus 45 degrees. So this will become cos 45 degrees. Same way it is falls in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin is not there. 45 means 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Same way minus half will come and final 0. Okay, reverse way it comes. Clear? In the same way for cos also we can do. For cos also we can do. So what will we get for cos? Cos value. Cos 120 degrees. Cos 90 plus 30. Second quadrant it falls. Second quadrant cos is not there. In second quadrant what is having? Sin cosecant. So cos is not there. Now we will take here negative sign. Cos is not there and it is operating on y-axis. Ratio changes. Sin 30 degrees. Sin 30, what will come? Half. Next step, 90 plus 135. So 90 plus 135 means it is operating on y-axis. In second quadrant it falls. All of second quadrant it falls, minus will come. So 90 plus 45. So sin 45. So minus 1 by root. In the same way, 60 degrees. Sin 60. This one will come. 90 plus 90. Sin 90 it will minus 1 will come. Okay. Next step, 210 degrees. 210 degrees means 180 plus 30. Ratio does not change. Cos will come. Cos 30 degrees. So 180 plus 30 means which quadrant it falls? It falls in third quadrant. Third quadrant, cos is not there. So negative sign will come. Cos is not there. So negative sign will come. So cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2. Next, cos 45 degrees. So ratio does not change, no. 180 plus 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Third quadrant negative will come. So this is the cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Next 180 plus 90. Cos 90 degrees 0 will come. The same way, 300. For 300, 270 plus 30 degrees. 270 plus 30 degrees means it falls in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is there. All will come plus values, positive values. So cos ratio will change here because it is operating on y-axis now. 270 plus 30. So cos will become sin. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. So like this it will come for cos. Next coming to the tan value. So tan 120 degrees. 90 plus 30, second quadrant tan is not there. All will falls in second quadrant here. So negative sign will come here for this. So now carefully see. It is operating on y-axis 90 plus 30. Ratio changes tan to cot. Cot 30. What is the cot 30 value? So cot 30 means sin 30. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30. Cos 30 how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30. Root 3 will come. Root 3 will come. It is cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. What is cos 30? So 30 will come. Cos 30. Root 3 by 2 sin 30. That one will come. Next, tan 45. Ratio changes no cot 45. Same thing. Cos 45, tan 45 is 1. Half by half. Next, tan 60. Tan 60 means cot will become no cos 60 by sin 60. Cos 60 half. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So total get cancel. Reciprocal 1 by root 3 will come. 1 by root 3. Next 90 plus 90. Cos 90. So there is 0. Cot 90 is 0. Cot 90 will come. No? Cot 90. So tan will become cot. So cot 90 means cos 90 by. So 0 by 1 0. Next coming to this one 180 plus 30 degrees. So ratio does not changes. 180 plus 30 degrees means it falls in third quadrant. Third quadrant all are positive because sign is there. Okay, positive values will get. So now see, tan does not change. Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. So 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45. 1. Tan 60. Tan 60 means sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 by cos 60. Root 3. So 180 plus 90. Tan 90. Not defined. Indeterminate form, not defined. 90 will come. Next, 300 degrees. 300 degrees means 270 plus 30. 270 plus 30. So it is operating on y-axis. Ratio changes. 270 plus 30 means fourth quadrant. Tan is not there. Negative signs will come. Negative signs will come. So 270 plus 30. Cos 30. What is the cos 30 value? Sin 30 by cos 30. And cos 30 means cos 30 value. And cot 30. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30. So that will root 3 will come. Here 1 will come. Here 1 by root 3 will come. So next here 270 plus 90. Cot 90. Cot 90 is 0. Cot 90 is 0. Okay. Next coming to next one. Cosecant theta. So cosecant theta means it is reciprocal of sin. Reciprocal of sin theta. So reciprocal of this value, right? 2 by root 3 or root 2. So it is in second quadrant. is there no cosecant, all will become plus. So plus 2. So reciprocal of this one is not defined. Next 180 plus theta. So it is false in third quadrant. Third quadrant cosecant is not there. Negative values will come. Reciprocal 2 root 2 2 by root 3. So reciprocal of this one means minus 1 only will come. So next coming to this one. So 180 plus theta. 180 plus 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosecant is not there. Negative values will come. Reciprocal you write simply. Reciprocals you write. Reciprocal of this one is not there. Here also secant is not there. So reciprocal of this one 2 root 2 2 by root 3. This one. Here also reciprocal minus 2 by root 3 minus root 2 minus 2. So not defined. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. 2 root 2 2 by root 3 1. So next cot reciprocal of 10. So 1 by root 3 minus 1. So 1 root 3 reciprocal means not defined. So root 3 1 1 by root 3. So this one 1 by infinity means 0. So minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 1 by means not defined. So these are the values up to 360. In part 2 we already learned how to write the values of trigonometric values up to 90 degrees. This is the remaining part continued. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Okay, we will see in next part remaining trigonometry, and also we will do some numerical problems. Okay.